Hi guys, thank you so much for watching that petite chic. I'm Dhanushri and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I'd be really happy if you do so. So recently I came across the brand Paradyes and I really wanted to try their color. Like I already had blue hair, then purple, then pink, and I really wanted to try something that I haven't tried before. And there's no brand I think that actually provides orange color. To be very honest, I've used streaks ka hold and play wala color. I've used blue from that range and also the purple, but I couldn't find an orange color, to be very honest. And the fact that this brand actually have got orange shade made me want to try it. So this is the one that I'm talking about. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know. And if you don't follow, you should follow me. I'll mention the link in the description. So this is the bottle that it comes in. It's a glass jar. It has 120 gram of product and it's in the shade Raggina Orange. This is this fiery orange shade and I really enjoyed it. I actually did whole of my hair, like ये अभी wash out हो चुका है, that is why you cannot see. And to be very honest, the reason I delayed the video so much was actually I wanted to see how long does the color stay, and so to give you guys a proper review as to how long it stays and how has it affected my hair, whether it has or not, and a lot of things. So I'm going to tell you about the quality and the delivery and everything in this video. So if you would like to know, keep on watching. Okay, so this comes in this glass packaging, glass jar. It has this thin what do we say, dhakkan, and it has this protected layer on it. Now oh my god, like I just was thinking about it, and the moment I opened it, the color smells amazing. Like it blew my mind when I first opened up the color, and oh my god, I still can smell it. Just I can still sniff it, and मैंने पूरा खोला भी नहीं है. And oh my god, the fragrance is so good. Like I really want to know from if anybody from the Birds of Paradise is watching, what do you put in this? Like it smells so good. Yeah, so talking back on the color we were talking about. So this is the jar bottle that comes in. I'm sorry, it's not just opening up. I'm just hoping I don't spill the color. Like, look at this. And I don't want to get, oh tiri tiri मेरे लैप पे लग गया. Anyway, this is the amount of color I used. मतलब ये jar है, मैंने इतना यूज किया है, आधा amount भी नहीं, for the hair I have. And it was so good. Like the pigment and everything was super good, and I just made it real messy here, but I had to show it to you guys. So anyway, I'm just going to keep this aside and we're not going to talk about the jar anymore. With the jar on, I'm just going to shut it. Color stayed on pretty well till 15 washes, and yeah, obviously with time and with every wash I went through, the color faded. Because it's a semi-permanent color. It's not like a permanent shade color that is going to stay on forever. And the best part about it is कि जो fading है ना, that is also so beautiful. So when I applied the color, it was not the actual color that I wanted, because obviously I don't think I had that level of bleach done, but at the same time that is the best I could do, because otherwise मेरे बाल fry हो जाते. And this color, this like जो कलर अभी यहाँ पे फ्रेम में आपको दिख रहा है ना, वो कलर आई गेस मुझे 3 या 4 वॉशेस में मिल गया था, बिकॉज पहले वाले वॉशेस में वो थोड़ा डार्क था. ठीक है, so maybe I kept it for a longer time or what, I don't know, but I'm glad कि वो वैसे turn out हुआ, because वो ज़्यादा dark orange था, like a deep fiery reddish orange, and then with time it went to this beautiful bright orange. Okay, and then it went to peach, and then like abhi my hair is like just coppery shade. It's like the color is completely washed out. So yeah, it's going to stay on your hair for like good 1 month, depending on how frequently you wash your hair, obviously. So to be very honest, I avoided washing my hair so much. Like I used to wash once a week, and considering I have oily scalp and I wash it every other day, I literally avoided washing my hair because I didn't want the color to fade out super quick. But yeah, if you wash your hair once a week, you're going to be fine, and it is going to last you for around a month. And the quality and the quantity of the product, the quality is top notch. Like, it did not, after coloring, it did not make my hair feel ki, it went through a certain process. And it shows when you actually bleach your hair or color your hair. The quality is amazing. My hair felt so soft, and the fragrance was so good. Like, I could feel the fragrance, like it was lingering for days even after washing it out. The fragrance was still there. It was so gorgeous. Like, I really like the fragrance. I really want to know what you guys put in this, because the smell is really amazing. Talking about the brand, it is vegan and it is cruelty free, it is lab tested, and it is made in India. It does not have paraben, and it is super quick. Like, you don't have to keep it for 40-50 minutes. Like, you don't have to wait that long. Just 10 to 20 minutes and you're good to go. मैंने इसे actually 20 minutes रखा था. Maybe that is the reason I told you color बहुत dark आया था. And yeah, with time it started fading. I really liked the quality. I really enjoyed the product so much that I really want to try other colors from them. So there are tons of colors, to be very honest. So आप please उनका page जाके देखो, and do let me know what color I should try next, because 110% I'm trying another color out. I just want some help with the color selection. So do let me know in the comment section below कि मैं कौन सा color purchase करूँ next, and आप कौन सा color का video देखना चाहेगी on my hair. Also, I'll mention the link in the description bar below. मेरे description में उनका page का link रहेगा. Also, I'll mention their Instagram account. So if you want to check it out, do check it out. There's also this conditioner they provide, and I haven't really checked it out yet, but I've heard good things about it. So I'm really gonna buy it. Also, the color comes with a whole kit and only the jar. Now I am someone who used to color hair, okay? So मैंने blue किया है, मैंने purple किया है. So I already had the products with the brush, the gloves, and everything I had. So I was like, yeah, I'll just try the brand first and just try the color. So if you are somebody who is trying it for the first time, आप kit वाला भी ले सकते हो, which I think is for $7.59 or something. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.